Here in Stockholm is a little-known gem of a museum. It also happens to be the only remaining silk mill in all of Northern Europe. Let's take a look. One feels a sense of déjà vu looking at these looms. The punch cards that guide this 170-year-old machine are almost exactly like the punch cards that were used in the early days of the computer. Information can be stored on these cards just as information is stored on computer chips. This wooden keyboard, like a primitive piano, is used to punch holes in the cards. This was high-tech 250 years ago. At that time, the Swedish capital was a sort of Scandinavian Silicon Valley. Well, maybe we should call it a Silk Valley. The operator controls the warp and weft threads on a silk loom using patterns which were recorded on long strings of cards. The looms at Almgrens produce some beautiful pattern fabrics. They aren't cheap, of course, since they're of a finer quality than the mass-produced silk manufactured in Asia and other places. History enthusiasts and technology geeks will appreciate the way in which this newfangled technology found its way to Sweden. Basically, it was stolen. Company founder Knut Ahlgren visited Lyon, France on a combined health and business trip in 1828. The jacquard loom invention was at that time a state secret, couldn't be taken out of the country. But Knut smuggled 24 of the machines back to Sweden. He hid some of them in brandy casks. The jacquard looms used at Almgrens may have been a state secret during the infancy of the Industrial Revolution, but anyone can see them now. Almgren Silk Mill and Museum is open to the public 6 days a week.